Okay, all right. In the last video, I showed how you can turn oxygen gas into liquid oxygen using a homemade 1/4 inch tubing copper condenser coil and a vacuum insulated thermos. All this stuff can be found at Home Depot on the cheap. These thermoses, of which I cannot show the brand for YouTube reasons, but you all know the brand. I'm sure you do, and you'll be able to find these at Walmart, Home Depot for pretty cheap. Since they're double wall vacuum insulated, they work just as well as laboratory Dewar flasks for liquid nitrogen. So we now have the process is completed. We now have one container that is holding our liquid oxygen, and we cannot see it because of all the condensed water vapor. The process literally just finished, so there's still condensation on the coil, and it is much, much, much too cold to touch. The remainder of the liquid nitrogen is in here, also not visible. So what kind of stuff can you do once you have that beautiful pale blue liquid oxygen? A lot. Oxygen is a catalyst, so it will make anything that's ordinarily flammable very flammable, extremely flammable. In fact, liquid oxygen is half of the recipe for rocket fuel. So, yeah, let's see what we can do with our newly made liquid oxygen. Okay, it'll be much easier to see the pale blue color now that most of the condensed water vapor is gone, but even easier in the short Dewar flask. So let's go ahead and transfer it over. Also, it's doubly good because in the short one, you could see like a blue tinge even with the condensed water vapor. With the short one, it has a wider mouth, which makes it much easier to dip stuff in. And then we are going to light it on fire. So we'll do a comparison. I'm trying to find the most porous items I have to absorb as much of the liquid oxygen as possible. Looks like it has ice fragments, water ice fragments in it just from the condensed water vapor freezing. It's been sitting out for a while now. Yeah, you can kind of see the blue tinge. Let's see if we can get a better look at it outside, and we'll set some stuff on fire. Much easier to see the blue tinge of the liquid oxygen. Wow, it got a lot of frozen ice in there. But much easier to see it out here in the daylight. Okay, so anyway, the most porous thing that I could find here was a pork rind. So let's give this a shot, see how it goes. All right. No, guys, this is inside time. This is Gunner the friendly dog and his new pal. Hey, oh my god, I just got my pork rind eaten by the dog. Okay, inside, guys. Yeah, enjoy your pork rind. We're moving this party inside. For God's sake. Alright, I got my first pork rind stolen by the dog. So this is going to be take two. Okay, we got our liquid oxygen here. We're going to pour some. I think the easiest way would be, since I've got to hold the camera and hold this, the easiest way would be pour some in here. Okay. And I can't find my torch lighter as well. Oh, yeah. There it goes. Wow. That was way more energetic than I was expecting it would be. Right. Okay, so I just did some emergency fire prevention here. But yeah, extremely energetic when liquid oxygen is added to a pork rind. That is not how a pork rind normally burns. And yeah, I'm sure there are those of you that are going to comment in the video that when I lit it, the liquid oxygen was way too close to where the reaction was taking place. I'll give you that. Um, anyway, that'll be it for this. Please like, subscribe, and definitely comment. I do read the comments. I will respond. Thanks.